Hey guys, Dr. Tornado here. This is why my curtain down. This will take a while. Probably broke everybody's eyes. But this is like a sound comparison thingy. Because I am in my room. So you can hear how the sound is compact. I can shoot my door. So you can hear how the sound is like compact and doesn't bounce around. Ow. A lot. Something healthy, something, I don't know. That's a thing, and it's fine. Filling. So here there no echoes, because this is a pretty small room. As you see, if I go into the corner. This is how big my room is. I mean, how many feet from this corner? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. About 11 feet from that corner to this corner. That's how wide my room is. But technically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13 feet is my room. 12 and a half feet. So, echo isn't so big of a build up in my room. Because it is kind of a quiet room. No, it's not only because it's quiet, it's also because it's small and compact. Because I have that, and I have loads of pillows. Instead of dancing the sounds in with my couch, we change it into a bed. Hit this thing, condenses the sound. This condenses the sound. Condense. And also have that art and this. That's going to get the sound out. This is for another video. Headphones or on my couch. Now, get ready for the voice change because this is going to get echoey. I am in the kitchen now. It's echoey in this place. It's so echoey. So, either you like this or this. Leave it in the comment section below. Bye.